Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to connect your Xiaomi A Pro TV to the Wi-Fi. To connect your TV to the Wi-Fi, you have to press the gear button on your remote control to open Quick Settings menu and then open Settings by selecting the gear icon on your screen. After that, you have to scroll down to Network and Internet tab, open it, make sure that the Wi-Fi is enabled and let it search for networks around you. Then select the suitable network, click on it and enter the password to it by selecting the text field, and using this virtual keyboard to enter the password to your network. Once you have entered the password, navigate to OK button in the top right corner of the keyboard, in the bottom right corner of the keyboard, and wait until you are connected to this Wi-Fi network. And if you see that you are connected successfully, that means that you've done pretty well. And now you can use all the online services. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.